Prevaricate. Speak or act in an evasive way. Tell us exactly what happened and don't prevaricate. Quibble. A slight objection or criticism about a trivial matter. Let's not quibble over minor details. Rationalize. Attempt to explain or justify one's own or another's behavior or attitude with the logical, plausible reasons, even if these are not true or appropriate. She tried to rationalize her grandson's strange behavior by blaming it on the boy's father. Stultify. Hamper. If you accidentally drop your cell phone in water, you will effectively stultify it. Forestall. Prevent or obstruct an anticipated event or action by taking action ahead of time. But to forestall the prince with his whole army was impossible. Meddlesome. Full of spirit and courage. The horse was meddlesome enough to require all her attention. Ardent. Enthusiastic or passionate. He had always been an ardent lover. Sage. Having, showing, or indicating profound wisdom. Erudite. Having or showing great knowledge or learning. Sardonic. Grimly mocking or cynical. Pedantic. Excessively concerned with the minor details or rules. Onomatopoeia. The formation of a word from a sound associated with what is named, e.g., cuckoo, sizzle.